Hi everyone, this is Annapunya and welcome to my crochet channel. In today's video we will see how to do an increase in a double crochet stitch. So now you can see I have a work of double crochets. If I need to add an increase to the stitch, what I have to do is, let's see. First make a double crochet stitch in the next stitch. And one more double crochet into the same stitch. We have to do the double crochet into the same stitch where we did the double crochet. So we can see now there are 2 double crochets in a stitch. So this has increased your stitch from 1 to 2. So this is how you will do an increase in your crochet projects. So whatever stitch you are doing, if you want to increase, just do one more stitch in this same stitch. So now we can see one more time. So I'm going to do 2 double crochets into the next stitch, so which is going to increase our work. One more double crochet into the same stitch. So now we can see our stitch has increased. See, these 2 stitches has increased to 4 stitches. This is how you will do an increase in a crochet project. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. Happy crocheting. Bye.